Want to remove your Gmail from Facebook? Here's a quick and simple way to do it step by step. Solution: remove Gmail from Facebook account. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on the menu icon, usually found at the bottom, right or top right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Scroll down again and tap on See More in Account Center. This is where all your personal details are managed. Now, tap on Personal Details. Then tap on Contact Info. You'll see your email listed here. Tap on the email you want to remove. Now tap on Delete Email to start the removal process. Finally, tap Delete again to confirm. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.